Hello, kids. Today we will meet our farm animals. Let's sing together. Yes! Nike. Cow gives us milk, creamy and sweet. It munches on grass, such a tasty treat. Its baby's a calf, so gentle and small. Moo, 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 moo is the sound we call. Cow, cow, what do you say? The hen has feathers, fluffy and bright. It lays fresh eggs, morning and night. Its baby's a chick, yellow and quick. Cluck, 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 cluck is its trick. Hen, hen, what do you say? Cluck, cluck, cluck all the day. The sheep gives us wool, cozy and warm. It lives on the grass, down on the farm. Its baby's a lamb, soft as can be. Ba, 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 sings happily. Hen, sheep, what do you say? Ba, 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 when I play. The duck has feathers and little webbed feet. It swims in the pond, oh what a treat! Its baby's a duckling, fluffy and small. Quack, quack, quack is its call. Duck, duck, what do you say? Quack, quack, quack when I play. The horse runs fast, strong and tall. We can ride on it, fun for all. Its baby's a foal, playful and bright. Neigh, 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 neigh with all its might. Neigh, 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 neigh with all its might. Neigh, 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 neigh every day. The turkey is bigger than any hen. It spreads its feathers again and again. Its baby's a poult, tiny and new. Gobble, 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 it says to you. Now you turkey, what do you say? Gobble, 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 all the way. Now we know the farmyard crew. Cows, hens, sheep, and turkeys too. Ducks and horses join the song. Let's sing together all day long. Yeah!